Alright guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review of these Kumho Ecsta tires that I put on my Firebird. Now I've had these on here for about 4 months, and I got them from Discount Tire Direct. They were about $74 a piece, I think. And overall, for the money, I think they're a pretty damn good tire. Because in this size, the 245, 50, 16, you don't have a whole lot of options, and more importantly, you don't have a whole lot of cheap options. This is the absolute cheapest tire I could find in this size. And overall, I think it's pretty good. It does real good in the rain, it's quiet, and it actually does pretty good in the snow. I've driven this thing in the winter, so I'm pretty happy with it. Overall wear, I've put about 1,000 miles on these tires, so I can't really tell you how long they're going to last. I think they have a 40,000 mile warranty, so we'll see how they hold up to that. I did for about, I think it was $6 or $9 a tire. I got the certificates. So if anything happens to these tires before warranty, I can get them replaced from Discount Tire, no big deal. So I bought it from Discount Tire Direct, and I got the standard free shipping, and they were at my house in about 2 or 3 days, so I was really impressed with that. So my experience with them is great. I had them installed at my local Discount Tire, very happy with that. They had it done in about 20 minutes. I believe it was 19 bucks a tire. They didn't charge me any other fees, nothing crazy. So all I can say about Discount Tire is good things. I've had really good experience with them. I think I put tires up from them on 3 cars now, and it's just been great each time. So yeah, these Kumho tires, they seem to be okay. I think they're rated as all-season tires, but I've driven them pretty hard, and they seem to corner pretty good. You know, they don't lose grip too easy, and you know, you can spin them with 200 horsepower, but that's okay. You know, just a little Firebird, no problem. But I was impressed with how quiet they are, because they are very quiet, a lot quieter than the BF Goodrichs that were around here before. And yeah, I mean, they ride nice, they take bumps well. I haven't had any problems. They seem to hold air really well, so I'm happy with that. So I'll probably do an update later on, see once I got 10 or 15,000 miles on them, and see how they hold up. But so far, I think they're pretty good for the money. For 76 bucks a tire, I don't really think you can beat these. So thanks for watching, guys.